Hi, this is Adam from Bodyplex Milledgeville. We'll be going over the third corrective for the hurdle step. So we're going to be doing a stride with a reach. So we're going to show you two progressions today for this one. So we're just going to put the foot on the table, making sure that that bottom foot is also facing forward. Try not to turn out the bottom foot. Hips turn forward as well. Shoulders, everything pointing the same direction. So for the first progression, we're just going to have arms overhead, and then we're going to twist, trying to keep everything pointed forward except for the upper body. Here we're going to try to go 5 to 7 breaths. Full inhale through the nose and then exhale through the mouth. Really trying to focus on breathing through the stomach, keeping the rib cage down. So we'll go to the other side. Again, we'll go 5 to 7 breaths. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Alright, so for the second progression here, we're going to have a hand on the knee, and then you reach with this arm, get a little bit more range of motion. The second progression here, again focusing on breath for the repetitions, and then we'll go to the other side, opposite hand on the inside of the knee, and then reach. Again, 5 to 7 breaths per side. Do 1 to 2 sets for each.